Hey guys, what's up? It's Paul from Crypto Lifestyle back with another video. In this video we'll talk about the upcoming daily MATIC, which is a DApp on Polygon network, paying 8% daily. It will launch soon, so let's start. Alright guys, so we are back. Let's take a quick look at this one. I hope my internet doesn't suck. Okay, let's take a look at the audit first. It's paying 8% daily. They have this 21% auto reinvestment every day, and they will start in 22 hours. Right now, let's take a look at the audit to check everything out. It's good that they have audit. Always look at this because that's important for me. So, first of all, the minimum here is almost nothing, 0.05 MATIC, so anyone can afford to go. Really, if you have one MATIC in your wallet, you'll be able to go and use the referral system, for example. You will get 240% return on your investment in 30 days, but you need to take the reinvestment into consideration. We'll do a calculation on the website and see how it will look more or less in 30 days. How much will you reinvest and what will be your rewards. So all dividends are calculated at the moment of request and available for withdrawal only once a day. So there will be a timer, and once a day you'll be able to withdraw or reinvest your dividends. Each subsequent deposit is kept separately in the contract to maintain the payment amount for each deposit. They have 10% fee for investments and 6% for reinvestments. This is how the owners earn. So the daily interest rate is 8%. Each plan is 30 days and total return 240%. The minimum deposit is 0.05 MATIC and the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.02 MATIC. So you can even go with one MATIC. But remember guys, in order to be able to interact with the contract, to do transactions, and everything is a transaction, reinvestment, depositing is a transaction, so you need to have some MATIC on your wallet, on your MetaMask wallet. You'll need MetaMask wallet in order to use it, and you need to add MATIC network to your MetaMask. If you don't know how, please join my Telegram chat and we will help you. You can also go to chainlist.org and you'll find an easy automated way to do that. So users can withdraw or reinvest only once a day. On each withdrawal, 25% of the dividends will be reinvested automatically. So you'll get only 75% of your withdrawal to your wallet. Then the rest will be reinvested. So you earn more and more from after every withdrawal. Your deposit will go up. You'll have a more MATIC in your deposit. 21% hold reinvest bonus. So they have this pretty nice thing that for people who will hold dividends, they will receive a 21% daily bonus on these dividends, and the max hold is 21% actually, so it might prevent some users from withdrawing fast. Users can try to use hold reinvest bonus directly, or it will be applied in the withdrawal too. The contract will pays 10.5 referral commission over 5 levels: 5, 3, 1.5, 0.5, and 0.5. So very good for team builders. You need to be active to be able to use it, so deposit at least 0.05 MATIC. So yeah, that's all. Yeah, the owner can enable or disable deposit system if there's a need for that. He can also change the wallets that receive owner's fee. Okay, so it will start in 22 hours. Here you'll be able to invest. There you'll have invest button here. Here you can calculate. Let's see, for 1000 MATIC. So from 1000 MATIC, after 30 days reinvesting every day, because let's assume you'll be withdrawing or investing, that's how it works. It's 21% reinvest daily. So you'll get 441 additionally MATIC from this will be the reinvested amount, and the 8% profit for 30 days will be 1659 MATIC. So that's nice guys. Here you'll be able to choose to reinvest or withdraw daily. There will be a counter here. You'll see the stats here. Here you'll find your referral. You can copy it and use it to invite your friends or your teammates. You'll see your number of people on each level here, and here you'll see the more stats. Okay, now let's see, they have a Telegram. I'm not sure if it's already working because let's see. Yeah, my internet sucks, guys, so I'm not sure, but it should be here. Let's open in web. So this thing, you know, is pretty fresh, so yeah. But there are some people here already discussing, so please join their Telegram to help to spread the word. There will be some YouTubers talking about this, I'm pretty sure. Let's look at the Twitter, if they have Twitter. Yeah. So, yeah, not much here, but that's why we are here, guys. We are early. The secret to be successful in these dapps is going early. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait for the launch and go as fast as I can. So on the first day, because that's the best thing you can do. More people will come after it. Of course, there is always a risk. So guys, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research and never invest too much. Okay, I feel comfortable here. I feel like this can be very profitable for me if I go early. That's why I'm showing you this one early too. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon on another video.